Welcome back, guys. Today, I just made a video about 15 minutes ago. So now we're gonna play some. You know it. So while it loads, my video should be going live right now.
Mom. I don't know if it's check. I'm gonna take it back because
Darn it, I ain't got no internet connection. Now I have 3 bars for some reason. Okay, so guys, while I'm waiting on this thing to load, let's talk about something. How was y'all's day? Leave down in the description below. Tell me how y'all day was. If y'all like it, enjoy. I'm gonna play a game. This is called, if you want to buy the game for yourself, it's okay. It's an okay game. I would recommend it. And say, I'm back at my house now. Let's just go and do something. I have 1 health. I don't know why that's happening, but I do. And say you can visit any bunker, and army bunkers. Visiting an army bunker. See, I'm back at my house now. I've got a pistol. So, let's just go back to my house real quick. My house is right here. You need to download the game. An app. So, let's go to this real quick. Let's have this woods in here. So, we should be good. And this is my weapons chest right here. It might have some stuff. Yeah, it has some stuff in it. So, we have this third chest right here. This should be good enough for my weapons chest. So, I think this might be too loud. Let me know if this is too loud. Guys, let me know if this is too loud. Let me know if this is too loud. If not, just say okay. Okay, I am kind of excited because I just bought Minecraft without even trying to. So guys, let's go look at stuff. Let's go see what it is. See if there's a plane crash or something like that. Record on Minecraft. Put on anything you want. It'll just say it'll say Minecraft video. So guys, wait a minute. I need some health actually. I need some food. My water's going down and my food is going down. So guys, So, I'm 18 energy. Okay, I have 1 heart. If you want to watch my videos, my sister's video, her name is going to be Maddie the Winner. If you can't fit all that, it's going to be Maddie the Winner. It's Maddie the Winner. The last name on it will be... Let's go to this real quick. Now, we should have full health, I guess. So, the stupid thing will pop off my screen. Okay, I guess it's stuck, so, okay, let's just continue to keep recording. So, guys, level 6, I have 31 health. I didn't want that to happen. There we go. I have 76 now. Don't dispose of your water, by the way, just to let you know. Because you can use that, and come on this note, require pickaxe. Let's go back inside of here. It's probably the best armor you can get in the game, but you see the little red thing on my side right here? That means, it's about to break. So I got a motorcycle wheel. So, guys, hey guys, so I'm fishing around to the forest real quick. So it's not gonna be the most long video. Tell me what to die. if I can. The next one might be a vlog. No, actually not yet. So, you can see I got my water and food up. That's good. It's really good. So, I wasn't trying to come back into my house. I was trying to go to the woods real quick so I can just kill some stuff. I have a pistol, full damage, shoot people. Hopefully, I'm able to. Let's run over to this forest real quick. Run, 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 run. Simeone, run, run, run. You know who inspired me? Dan TDM. He's the one that inspired me to make videos. I love Dan TDM. I've been subscribing for 5 years. So, while this thing loads, we could be... Oh, it's about to load now, but... So, it's loaded now, so let's kill some stuff. Yeah, you need, like, this game is worried about protection. What you're gonna want to do is not to get hit when you have red armor. You see, like, probably can't see it because on my screen is covering it up. If it's on your screen, just let me know and I'll remove it. Wait, took some rocks. Wait, human smell. Did y'all see that? It said human smell. Oh, well, look at that. I found something. That's pretty cool. I just want to get this thing back. Someone needs this for my bike. So, they said they smelled humans. So, I'm going to go see if I can find a human or not. Oh, look, another army card. I'll take that. And I'll take the food, too. Humans. It's a deer. That's another deer. So, while we look for this guy, so let's see if I can find this guy or not. He said he smelled humans, but I'm not sure. He said human smell. So I should be able to see that my armor now. Yeah, I couldn't in the first place. It's all right now. I've got it fixed. I don't think there's any humans here, actually. I can keep looking for y'all if y'all want me to. Let's see if this is a deer. Now I got some more food, and so I don't think there's any humans here, but he did smell humans. I know that for a fact. Because if y'all read it, if y'all are paying attention, there was like something above my guy, and it showed smells humans. Is there anything? Just to make sure, is there anything here? It's maybe berries. I'm thinking it would show up blue if there's a human here. Anyway, we just in here. Let's see this one. Oh, somebody's been here. Or did I open that? I think I did. Well, I think that's it. So, how long is the video recording for? 5 minutes, okay. So, so we're gonna continue to keep moving, and wait, what was that? Nothing, okay. So, I think I can shut off the trees. I just want to cut some wood. So, I'm gonna need some of these berries. You have to try to do it auto by itself for a minute. So that should be enough. Let's go. Let's go home. While this thing takes me home, I'm gonna play one more. I'm gonna play a game for a minute. So, y'all should see my cute dog. In the future, I'll show it to you. Okay. So right now, I'm gonna tell this guy to walk home, and then I'm gonna exit. Let's go play a different game. Maybe, you know what? Let's see if I can find Minecraft. Yeah, I figured how you download Minecraft now. Minecraft. Crap. Search. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Yeah, for some reason it let me on my sister's tablet, but it won't let me do it now. See, I would really love to have that tablet, but that game, because my sister downloaded it. I wish there was some proof, but I can't show it to you because it said install. I was like, okay, maybe it's just a demo, and then I realized it was a full game. I wish I could download Minecraft, guys, but so it doesn't look like I can download Minecraft. I want to go to popular. Let's go to popular. So let's go popular. Maybe up here in the corner. Skyblock Minecraft Pocket Edition. It won't let me download it. I've already tried, but just to show you, it won't download. See, you know it. I would love to have that game. I really would. So, guys, I guess I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Wait, not yet. So, this one I gotta show you. So, if we want, well, I downloaded this other app. It's called My Planet. I'm not sure if y'all are gonna enjoy it or not, but it looks kind of stupid. It's like where you gotta cycle your own planet, like tap. So now we're just gonna and let it rise. I'm not sure I'm gonna live because my vegetation ain't that high. It ain't moving up at all. Too much water, Okay. And I just lost all my vegetation. So it's like we're gonna have to pause it and go down. Wait a minute. How do you get fan mail? Okay, we ain't gonna play this out because I don't think it's that fun. Let's just. So I think that's it for the rest of the video for today. We'll continue on it tomorrow on the last day of Earth. So hope you enjoyed.